Hello, beautiful people. I'd like to say this one important thing to you is that you people are so beautiful and I love you so much. Thank you for showing love to my work, for sharing the videos, for coming and view my YouTube channel. Please, if you are viewing my YouTube channel for the first time, please support me by subscribing and watch my videos each time I post. And very soon I'll be doing some more live videos, more new work coming. And please start by commenting and viewing as well as sharing this lovely painting that is just next to me and tell me what you think about it. Well, all the love, kisses to all of you. Thank you.